Just a few months after DJI officially announced its folding Mini 3 Pro drone with improved obstacle avoidance, the company has followed up with another release for 2022, a radical redesign of the DJI FPV called the Avata, which is the company's first drone with full propeller guards, and it is second drone focusing on a first-person view. These features make it better suited for flights where unplanned impacts are a genuine risk, which was ideal for a beginner pilot like me when I tried it out in the local park for the preview. 2. The Avata has 18-minute battery life from its 2420 mAh battery, and it weighs 410 grams. It has integrated propeller guards for safely in enclosed spaces, while its 155-degree field of view ultra-wide camera features a 1 by 1.7-inch CMOS sensor. It can shoot in 4K at 60 fps as well as 2.7K at 50 or 60, 100 or 120 fps. It can hover like a traditional drone, accelerate like a racer, zoom in and out to tight spaces, and stop in a fraction of a second. If it happens to land upside down, the new turtle mode lets it flip back up and take off again. Speaking of modes, there are 3 of them for operation: normal, in which the Avata operates similarly to other DJI drones, hovering in place with the use of satellite navigation or visual positioning systems on the bottom of the drone; manual mode, only with the DJI FPV remote controller 2, is the one in which you have full limitless control and get the immersive FPV flight experience with the ability to customize parameters to your heart's content. Finally, sport mode is a hybrid blend of the other two, offering some of the dynamic movement capabilities that come with manual mode along with some of the key safety features of normal mode. The DJI Avata is available today from DJI's online store for $629 by itself, or $1,388 bundled with the DJI Goggles 2 and the DJI Motion Controller. You can also pick it up alongside the DJI FPV Goggles version 2 and DJI Motion Controller for $1,168. A kit containing 2 batteries and a battery charging hub can be yours for $279.